Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on where you're watching me from. It's still your guy, Mr. Emeritus. Omo, today go hot. Today, vital information go hot. Today, information go hot. So, e get wetin I observe when me say I would like make I talk about. Because if you no talk, you go be like say you know and you no talk. And even God go judge you say you see something and you no talk am. Because this mind say, you see this mind, this our mind like is they very, very corrupt. We have the most corrupt mind in this world. Before you steal, before you do anything good or bad, your mind don't tell you. And as this video is going on, I beg help me to share this video. Share this video, please. Share this video. Let's hit 1K share. Spread this news so it can go viral. It helps a lot. I later started observing things recently and I said, let me speak about it. For those who get here. If you get here. And if you want here. And if you hear, may you try understand. Because to hear is different from to understand. I'm not speaking in the negative way, but I'm speaking in the positive way for us to do what? Comprehend. I've been in the same place. You know, last time I spoke about parents giving birth, parents giving their children normal home training. You see, this home training of a teen is very, 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 very important, especially to your kids at home, because tomorrow or next they're going to venture into their husband's home. Moreover, parents, try and teach your kids how to cook, especially your female children. Try and teach them how to cook. You see, on how to cook in family is very, very important. And children also, try and be staying with your parents and be learning more on how to cook with them. There's a reason, because e get wetin happen I say I wan share give una, and this information I dey share like this. One of my guy when dey Benin, when marry, when never too reach a year plus. Never too reach a year, yeah, never too reach a year plus. Newly married couple, so e no too tey. The couples divorced, and it was the guy who supposedly divorced it. Though according to him, him say na because of say the lady no fit cook. Say me don dey endure am, dey think say with time for a year and omo too much that way round. Because this cooking of a thing is very, very, very much important in family, especially a woman cooking for her husband. So na family food no be say na outside food, na family food wey man go chop, children go chop, family go chop, even you wey cook am go chop. So what I'm trying to say is this: never too tey when the guy divorce a woman. So they ask what is the reason, all this. The guy say the woman saying go give money for food, and after everything they go cook no go get meaning. Same don dey endure himself. They say the wife with time she go cook, but he say no fit endure am again. Say get them say him friends come in house and they know how they take insult the man. Say which kind of food be this, all this and all that. Say the guy himself they talk say he don dey back up him wife in how many ways, make people go to know say na how they cook. So but the guy say no go fit endure am, say no know how long he go continue with that kind of attitude. So now, and the guy says tired of eating outside. Say almost all the time now outside in the chop. He can say no. Instead, let him go for another woman and check if he can see another woman who can be giving him a very good meal. This is just the reason, though. This is just the little reason when he give. Say the woman no fit cook. The newly married wife no fit cook. So what I'm trying for us to understand is this: I'm not advertising injustice. What I want us to understand is this, a very good advice. Mothers, parents, young girls, we know that everybody are searching for his or her daily bread, our education, all this and all that. Yeah. But sometimes try and be having that little time with your mother in the kitchen. Try and be having that little time with your mother in the kitchen. It's very, very important to try you. Don't say I don't grow, I don't get phone, I don't dey go school, I don't get boyfriend. Eat 3 day online, online vendors of food dey. So listen carefully. In marriage, wetin dey hold man in marriage sometimes, not sometimes, let me say 75 to 80% is the meal you prepare. Sorry, attitude and the meal you prepare. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm mistaken, please guys correct me because we learn every day. Sometimes the meal you prepare contributes a lot in the family. If you are a good cook, or it's never a must that you must be the highest chef or whatsoever, but if you are giving your husband the kind of meal he needs, my sister, nothing will ever make him to go outside and go and eat. Nothing will ever make him to go outside and go and eat, no matter what. Even if in the place of work, you go exercise patience till when you reach house. You see, food is very, very vital. That's why they say, an idiom say, if you win a man's stomach, you don't win a heart. If you win a man's stomach, you have won his heart entirely. If you win a man's stomach, you have won his heart entirely. So don't go and say that online food day, catering, this place they busy. No, listen carefully. You are going to have your own family tomorrow. You are going to have your own family tomorrow. And you would love to build your own home in the way other people will be imitating you or will be being jealous of you. But you sitting at home doing hot thing or even doing something, don't have time to learn how to cook, all these things. Or more, it affect to, and parents too, especially the mothers too. Try and be bringing your daughters with you close all the time in the kitchen. Be advising them. Sometimes you can even give them small lecture on how to cook, or go and make this food for me, let me see. Why be say I never wan divorce my own woman be say she fit cook? If to say she no fit cook, wahala, wahala. So guys, please, I'm not making any mockery of this video or anybody, but it is out of experience and we share. So why is that? Let me pass this information because of what I